What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a walk down memory lane. As you guys know, I've been into Skylines for quite a while now. So in October of 2013, I decided to post up an LED indicator I had made for my previous R34, the black one. Obviously, I went through and posted on SAU, which is Australia's Skyline network, so to speak. And asked them if they wanted to see, obviously, a DIY. And the results I got were people were pretty interested in seeing it. So I decided to do it and just basically make it as simple to follow as possible. Obviously, I've got everything written there as to what you'll need and where to get them from. I didn't have links or anything in there because, to be honest with you, this is probably the first one I ever did. I was always tinkering on cars and my Skyline, but very rarely thought people would want to know exactly what I'm doing or why I did it. So this was probably the first insight I got that I probably should have made content previously for the Skyline. I did lots of work that I never actually documented or recorded because I was just working at home doing my own thing. Hindsight being what it is, look, I probably could have been something on YouTube, but that's life, and I was doing it for me, not for anyone else. So yeah, basically I go through obviously the full write-up, and I'll put a link in the description for this anyway, but I go through a full write-up on how to make these LED indicators, and basically what I was chasing back then was a more modern look. I don't really feel the same way anymore. I'm kind of happy with the styling of the R34 and what it looks like now. And it keeps that obviously classic vibe, but you can see it there on the car. Obviously this, I think I took these on an iPhone 4S or something like that, but it was quite old. So yeah, I basically posted that up, and I wanted to show you guys what they look like in the flesh. So obviously I've got the standard indicators on the car at the moment, and they are just the yellow, orange, amber ones. Next we'll have a look at the LED units. Again, these are probably not the best in the daytime. If I knew what I knew back then, what I know now, I would have selected a brighter LED, something that really stands out, so it can be seen in the daytime. But look, overall it doesn't look too bad. I mean, for my first attempt, and obviously something I came up with in 2013, it looks much better at night. Obviously, you can see there it looks a lot better at night, and I think that, put it this way, I wouldn't run them on the car now. It's not something I'm interested in doing. I don't think this style really fits into what I want to be doing. But what I was thinking of potentially doing, providing that you guys would want to see something like that, is I'm thinking of doing, I guess, a remake of these with some possible ideas. I've got lots of these Eagle Eye Amber LED DRLs, so I was throwing up a few possible ideas, and I want your opinion on it. These are the Eagle Eye LEDs. Obviously we put them in the lights for my son's night light. You can see they are quite bright. Now, whether or not I can dim them or not, I don't know, but they're not a big unit at all. They're quite small. It's a pretty cool shot. I don't know how it happened, but it did. So they're quite a small unit, and what my idea was is basically something along the lines of this. And you'll have to excuse me, my Photoshop skills are not great, so something like that. So basically I want to know is, what do you guys think? Should I put them away back in the box, or possibly do a reboot of it and make it a 2.0? Let me know. I value your opinion, and as always, take care.